let's say instead of working 50 hours a week, they have now carved themselves out space to where they're only needed 25 to 30 hours a week. That's where we first usually start seeing problems with entrepreneurs, right? Like at least me, because they're wired to work and hustle and do that whole mindset mentality of like, if I'm not in the business from sun up to sundown, like I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. And that's a difficult thing to kind of detach your ego from and understand that there are people that are better than you, and settling into your role as an actual leader and a human builder, a resource builder, and understanding that your priority is to build dynamic people around you that are going to slot in and be better than you at those particular skill sets.